Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the division algorithm. Let's dive right into understanding its fundamental components. The division algorithm is a precise way to express the result of dividing one integer by another. It states that for any integers a and b, with b being positive, there exist unique integers q and r such that it equals b times q plus r. Here, a is the dividend, b is the divisor, q is the quotient, and r is the remainder. Applying the algorithm involves a few straightforward steps. First, you take your dividend and divide it by your divisor. Next, you find the largest whole number that, when multiplied by the divisor, does not exceed the dividend. This number is your quotient. Then, you multiply this quotient by the divisor. Finally, subtract that product from the original dividend to find your remainder. This systematic approach ensures accuracy every time. Understanding the remainder is crucial for correctly using the division algorithm. There are two key rules for the remainder, r. First, r must always be greater than or equal to 0. It can never be a negative number. Second, r must always be strictly less than the divisor, b. If your remainder is 0, it means the dividend is perfectly divisible by the divisor, with no amount left over. These rules ensure a unique and meaningful result. Let's walk through a quick example to solidify your understanding. Imagine we want to divide 25 by 4. Following the algorithm, the largest whole number quotient is 6, because 4 times 6 equals 24. When we subtract 24 from 25, we are left with a remainder of 1. So, we can express this as 25 equals 4 times 6 plus 1. This clearly demonstrates how the division algorithm works in practice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.